if you're selling a house and want to stage it, but you don't have a whole lot of time or money or effort, then these are the 3 areas that you must stage when selling a house. Hi, I'm Dana Pollard, and I've been selling real estate for a very long time. A real estate agent for 14 years, sold over 500 homes. So I've made my fair share of mistakes. And I hope that you get value from my mistakes so that you don't make the same ones. Because when we sell a home, staging, photos, all that good stuff can multiply your profits. We're not talking hundreds of dollars. We're talking thousands and tens of thousands of dollars by doing the right things when selling a home. So if you don't have a lot of time or energy, or you have a certain special circumstance, that is okay. These are the 3 key areas you want to focus in on if you do nothing else. The first thing you want to focus on is the entryway. You want to set the buyer up to how they feel when they walk in the front door, okay? So the entryway is very important because many people within the first 8 seconds know if they want to put an offer in on this property or not. Believe it or not, it's true. So I'd say definitely take all your personal photos down, stage it, and paint it. Paint is really good. If you have old tile in the front, there's paint tile you can use. There's so many things that you can do. If you can just spend energy on the entryway, that's really nice. Now listen, I always tell a seller, I'll give them a list, and I have a listing agent on my team as well. We'll provide a list of priorities for each listing. And we always say you do as little or as much as you want. Just know the results we just have to make price adjustments. And the price adjustments can be higher because everything turned out amazing. Or we adjust the price lower because you don't have the time, and that's okay too. There's no right or wrong. We just have to make adjustments accordingly. The second key area is the kitchen. The kitchen is the love. It's the heart of the home. And so if you can clean up the kitchen, maybe if you have old laminate countertops, you can find some paint to paint the countertops. You don't have to do this. If minimum, declutter the kitchen, okay? Minimum effort. You're gonna be moving anyway. Just go ahead and box up as much as possible from the kitchen especially. But if you can put some upgrades in the kitchen, that's definitely well worth your money. Maybe not a full remodel because depending on the neighborhood and if the other homes are completely updated or not, it will determine if it's worth it or not. But sometimes it's not worth putting in the effort of a remodel to gain money on the back end if it's a wash. Or maybe you make $5,000 more. It may not be worth the energy that you've invested in a remodel. Time and energy is valuable. So with that, maybe there's some simple things you can do, okay? So the kitchen is the second priority. The third key area is that master bath, okay? Again, clean it, get it as clean as possible. If you can do some minor things to update it, that is definitely a key place to multiply your profits when selling a home if you just don't have much time or energy to invest in preparing a house for sale. So when staging, if you do nothing else, focus in on those 3 key areas and watch your money multiply.